get Minecraft for free on PC. So if you want to get Minecraft for free on your PC, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Minecraft. Once you've searched, it will take you to this kind of page where you'll have the official Minecraft site. You just need to simply go with that, which is www.minecraft.net. And it will take you to this kind of interface where you just need to simply scroll down. And here you will have Get Minecraft. Go with it. And here it will give you the amount, right? So what you need to do is just first go with your Windows, and it might give you the amount. You can simply go with checkout, but if you want to get it for free, then what you need to do is just go with the games section, which is right here, and then click on Minecraft, or just go to downloads, which is right here on the left side. And from here you can simply go and download the launcher for Windows 10 or 11, and after that it will be downloaded. So that's how you can download the Minecraft, or you can get Minecraft for free on your PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.